I'll turn on the car when it's done. I can't really open the windows now. Say Holly. Say hi, Holly. Say hi, Rachel. What's up? Say hi.
No.
Okay, don't say hi.
My booty.
Your what?
My booty.
Oh, your booty. That's jiggly, yeah. Hooter Girls washing cars for a good cause. Awesome. Great success.
Great success.
My car was the first one to get washed. It's really dirty.
He's making a documentary. Yes, documentary.
It's actually recording in HD almost. The camera's really good at it. That's why it's called The Incredible. So say hi and stuff. Say hi.
Hi. How are you? What do I say?
I don't know. Say, welcome. Come to Port Charlotte Hooters, and you'll get free wings and free car washes. You can do that.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. This is Hooter Girls Car Wash, Port Charlotte, Florida, at Hooters. Holly, or Hollywood. We got Alicia, a.k.a. Josie Dirty, Rachel, and we got everyone else. That's about it, and everyone else is working. So, welcome. They can enjoy the sun and not have fun.